Overview of Siebel Smart Script, right? See, let's say you want to ask question. Let's say the user wants to, or the sales rep wants to ask questions from the customer. Customer is on call and he's asking questions, or the sales rep is asking questions from the customer. Like, what is the account name? What is the site? Then he fills it out here, right? Well, let's say there are some scenarios where the sales rep has to ask questions depending upon some answers. For example, let's say first question he should ask is, what is the age? If the person says age is 18, then customer service representative should ask different set of questions if the age is more than 18 or the age is less than 18. So in both the cases, that a set of questions will be different. Now, so that we call it branching. Let's say there is a branching in the and there is a flow in the questions. The questions cannot be asked at random. There is a first question, then there is a third question, there is a fifth question, things like that. And when an answer is given for a particular question, then the separate set of questions should be answered for every branch. Okay. So let's say the next question would be, do you smoke? If the person says yes, then ask these questions. If a person says no, the process is that the representative should ask different questions, right? Then he should ask, do you have any problems in the past? Yes. If he says yes, then ask these questions. If he says no, then ask these questions. Okay. So all these things, you see a lot of branches. Right? So whenever you see so many branches, that means you need to use a product called as Siebel Smart Script. The way it works is, I'll show you. Go to sitemap, Smart Script Administration, or in Siebel 6 you go to Screens and Smart Script Administration. See, when you go to a smart script, you can start one of the smart scripts. If you start this smart script in English language, so first question, you ask this question, you give the answer. Depending upon that, you can ask the next question. Actually, it is not being branched. I don't know why. So it is being timed also. So this, if you want to time how much time the customer is representative is taking in filling out the order or filling out this set of questions, then again smart script is required. So let's say you want to see order entry time for everybody, then you need smart script. Without this you cannot do. Okay. So you ask questions like this, depending on the answer. Actually, the next question comes. I don't know, the branching is not shown here. That is the main thing, but it is not shown here. Anyway, actually the next question comes automatically. Anyway, now you know, like it really looks like this. There are questions, and then you put then the sales rep enters the answer. When he enters the answer, clicks next. There is a next button. The next question is automatically calculated by the system and put here. Then he asks that question only. If there is a sequence in questions also, if he cannot put, if there is a sequence of entering the data, then also you need smart script. For example, let's say order entry. First he should take this, then he should enter product, then he should enter credit card information, so on and so forth, then he should enter shipping. If there is a sequence that you want him to follow, even then you will basically use a smart script. So sequence and for branching. Whenever there is a data entry, and data entry involves sequence and the branching and decision tree, then we need smart script. That is the whole funda behind it. This is not the right way it is implemented, but still you got some idea. These are the way questions look like. That he answers, then he clicks next. System automatically will calculate the next question and ask that. Okay. All the answers that the customer gives, they can be made a part of a business component. And then business component is basically like you want to enter the account like this, you can do that. So you enter all this information, he will gather it and put it in the business component of account, and it will be visible in the account screen, account views, and it will be collected through the smart script. You can do like that also. Okay.
So over here,
this is smart script administration screen. Yeah. Let's say go here, see somewhere here. While designing the script, you can mention. See, these are the two smart scripts that you saw. Okay, somewhere here you can map it to this thing. Let me see where you can. It can be mapped. That's it. I mean, I don't know, where to map it. So, but you can map it here. Okay. So overview of smart script is complete.